In this video, I'll guide you through how to unlink Mailchimp from Acuity scheduling. If you've decided that you no longer need to connect these two platforms, or you're simply looking to clean up your integrations, this tutorial will help you through the process seamlessly. Let's get started. First, we need to navigate to your Acuity dashboard. This is the control center for all your scheduling needs and the place where you manage any connected integrations. Once you're logged into your Acuity account, look towards the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll find a variety of options that help you manage and customize your scheduling experience. Among these, you'll see the integrations option. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a page where all your current integrations are listed. On the integrations page, you'll notice a section labeled Connected Integrations. This is where all the services that are currently linked with your Acuity account are displayed. Our focus here is on Mailchimp, so you'll need to locate it within this list. As you scroll through, keep an eye out for the Mailchimp icon or name. Once you've found Mailchimp in the list, you're ready to move on to the next step. Next, you'll need to edit the settings associated with Mailchimp. Right next to the Mailchimp icon, you'll see an Edit button. Clicking this will open up the settings specific to your Mailchimp integration. This area allows you to adjust how Mailchimp and Acuity interact. But for today's purpose, we'll be focusing on unlinking them. Within the settings menu, you should see an option that says disconnect or remove integration. This is the button that will sever the link between your Mailchimp account and Acuity scheduling. Click it and you'll initiate the disconnection process. Sometimes there might be a confirmation pop-up to ensure that you want to proceed with removing the integration. If so, confirm your choice to complete the process, and there you have it. You've successfully unlinked Mailchimp from Acuity scheduling. By following these steps, you've cleaned up your integrations, ensuring that only the services you actively use are connected to your scheduling platform. This can not only help streamline your workflow, but also enhance security by limiting access to your data. If at any point you wish to reconnect Mailchimp or explore other integrations, you can always return to the integrations page to manage your preferences. Keeping your integrations organized and up to date is a great way to maintain efficiency and security in your business operations. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on managing your digital tools. See you next time.